Yeah guys, welcome back to the channel. Reporting live from Florida in this 100-degree weather. I have another sneaker unboxing for you. They just came in the mail. I already got them out of the box. They will be the Jordan 1 and the Nike SB LA Laker colorway. We got them in a size 10. I'm currently rocking the Skunkies. Open it up. It's like perfect paper. Ooh, that first smell is insane. Ah. Look at this. Ooh. I don't really like the black sole. I feel like they could have went with something else, but size 10. The quality on these is pretty good. I feel like everyone says that for Jordan 1s. But I'll get the other one out as well. I got a comparison I can show you all for the... Oh no, they're not dead stock anymore. They touched the floor. I got these boys. Sorry if the lighting is horrendous. But anyways, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next. I'll catch you guys real soon. Peace.